Hello teachers, in this video I will teach how to prepare the online report card performance report for the students. First and foremost, you have to prepare the white sheet in this format. First, here you will write the serial number, okay. Next, here is the roll number of the students as allotted by the exam department. Next, you have to maintain the student name, father's name, mother's name, date of birth, admission number, and then are the subjects in which he has obtained the full marks. Okay, whatever subject, suppose here I am teaching here, taking class 12, so there are combinations of the subjects. So if you are dealing with lower classes, you can change the subject as per your class. So here it is English, Eco, Accounts, BS, Max, IP, PE, Vocal, and then after entering all the marks, you have to make a total. Here you can apply the auto sum formula. Okay, here by selecting the cell, marks obtained, here directly you can go and you can click on auto sum. It will automatically give you the auto sum of that particular number. Okay, now as soon as this white sheet is prepared, this Excel sheet I will provide so that you can work it on. As soon as this Excel sheet is prepared, you have to select till whatever data you have made. Suppose I have written here till, I will select the data, I will select the whole sequence from roll number. Remember, you have to select it from roll number, not serial number. So I will select the whole and till, I will go till marks obtained. Okay, marks obtained is the overall total. As soon as this selection has been done, okay teachers, as soon as the selection is done, name your data here. ओके, अभी तो मैंने डाटा पहले से ही लिख के रखा है, तो ये आपको डेटा फ्लैश हो रहा है, आपको यहाँ पे उसको नेमिंग देनी पड़ेगी और उसे डाटा लिखना पड़ेगा. Now you have to convert this into report card of individual. Okay, so how to get it? We will use VLOOKUP. Okay, now how to use VLOOKUP? Just understand here. In this format is already being supplied to you. You can change as per your specification. Here you will write your class. Suppose I have written 12th week because I'm the class teacher of 12th week. Session, performance report, first periodic, PT1, that is already mentioned. Now, as I started my data from roll number, so my first roll number was 12026. Okay, now here as you can see, this we will not apply the formula. Coming to the name of student, as soon as you can go to the name of student, here you can see I have applied what? VLOOKUP, and then bracket. See, I'm applying this formula here for your convenience once again. Here, how to apply the formula? First write equals to sign, then type VLOOKUP. As soon as you type VLOOKUP, now they will ask which lookup value. So you will go on that 12026. Okay. As soon as VLOOKUP, then it will ask you which table or array. So you will write here data. Data you will type, it will automatically flash. After that data, you will write here the 2, because 1 was your roll number and 2 is your name. So here, as you can see, Ansing Tomar has been reflected automatically. Now, if I change 12027, I will write 12027. Automatically, the next student's name appears. Because on 2, that is Anusha Bille, as you can see in that particular sheet, that is 2, here the name. And ultimately, when I'm typing 12027, in front of them is Anusha Bille. So automatically the sheet will get prepared. As soon as it is done, you will write, suppose now father's name. So father's name was at number 3. So I will apply which formula here? I will apply VLOOKUP, that is already looking up to this value, comma, data is what? Data is the original, and then I will select 3 because 3 is on the father's name. Again, coming towards the mother name. Again, formula is same. We look up bracket lookup value, that is whatever is being given, you have to click it on, then comma data, then comma 4, because on 4 there is mother name. Date of birth is given on 5, so we look up again that is particular value, data, and this admission number is on 6, automatically it will come 6. Now here what about the marks? See, as you will see this sheet, till 6 were admission number. Now here the marks were there. So as soon as you will go on English, my marks of English of that particular student shall be reflected. So I will write here we look up, and English was on number 7. So we look up bracket, the lookup value is that comma data comma 7. As soon as you will update according to your subjects. Okay, after that, once you have done, suppose I am preparing Yashika's result. So let me see, if you have to paste the photo of the student by your own, you have to go for the insert, and you can paste the photo or insert the picture of the student from the profile. Next, what I have to do, I have to do totaling. Suppose I have to do totaling of these marks only. So here total marks I have to allot. So I will go with the formula again. I will write equal sign, and I will select sum, SUM. I will apply some formula, and then I will select that these things I have to go for submission, and then I will close the bracket. As soon as I will close the bracket, automatically this total marks will be there. Now you can comment representing your results. Suppose remarks, if the student has gone less marks, अगर less marks आए बच्चे को, तो आप वहाँ पे fail remark लिख के overall result आप fail करिए. Now how to calculate the percentage? It is very much simple. आप equal लगा के जो आपका total है उसको आप डिवाइड करोगे ओवरऑल मार्क्स से. सपोज दिस वाज 600, so I will go on 600, and then I will write multiply by 100 because I have to convert into percentage. So automatically it will convert into percentage. Here you can write the particular class teacher and the principal's name. As soon as this is completed, once you have done with all over report, you now will go and press Control P. Okay, already setting has been done. Do not disturb the setting of the page. You want to convert them into PDF, so you will go for Microsoft Print PDF, convert on PDF, and save it as a PDF document. Okay, so this will be saved in the PDF document with the name. I have already prepared the 16 results of my class. So this will be your particularly sample. I'm giving this Excel sheet in the particular group also, so that it will be easy for the teachers to update. But make sure your strength is different. So आपके अगर 16 स्ट्रेंथ है या फिर आपकी 20 आ रही है, तो आपको पूरा पहले वो व्हाइट शीट कंप्लीट करना पड़ेगा. Then only you can apply the VLOOKUP app formula. Okay, and secondly, for photo, you have to insert the photo of the students, and then you can go for Control P. Okay, thank you teachers for understanding how to prepare the report card.